In this video, I will be showing you how you can check your balance and plans on Lyca mobile. So first of all, let's start by checking your balance. So simply you just need to open up your dial pad and then you just need to type star 131 hash, and once you press the call button, you will going to see your balance, how much you have into your Lyca mobile. Next up is plan check codes. Now to check your data balance, you need to simply dial star 137 hash, and once you type this number, and this is going to show you all the remaining balance, or in other words data balance. Next up will going to be your remaining minutes and text. So you just need to dial the number which is star 124 hash, and once you dial this is going to show you all of your remaining minutes and your text messages as well. As for the additional codes, let's say you want to check your Lyca mobile number, you can also dial this number which is star 132 hash. Once you type this is going to show you your Lyca mobile number. Now if you face any difficulties, you can dial the 322 from your Lyca number, or if you are on some other network, you can type this number which is on your screen right now. Charges depending on your network operator may apply, so you need to make sure to keep this point in mind, and you can ask them for any kind of help, network codes, or just like I have shown you right now. So that's the way of how you can check your balance and plans on your Lyca mobile.